Yeah, so the basic idea is if you have a common factor, so you want to work out the GCD, right? So you consider some common factor and you want to show that common factor is 1, right? So the common factor, it divides 21n plus 4 and it divides 14n plus 3, yeah? So it actually divides any combination of those two numbers because we know a multiple, remember a multiple of 7 plus a multiple of 7 is equal to multiple 7, right? Multiple of 7 minus multiple 7 is multiple 7. So if those two numbers are multiples of that common factor, right, then you can add or subtract them as much as you want and it'll still be a multiple of that common factor, right? So the first thing that was done was 21n plus 4 minus 14n plus 3, right? So that's how you got 7. That's how you got 7n plus 1, yeah? 7n plus 1 is the difference, yeah? So that's divisible by the common factor, right? Okay. And so is 14n plus 3, so you can find the difference again, right? And so that means you actually have the whatever the common factor is, it goes into 7n plus 1 and 7n plus 2, right? And those are consecutive numbers. Yes? But consecutive numbers don't ever share any factors other than 1, right? So therefore, the only common factor can be 1. So this is actually considered a very easy question, especially for IMO, okay? The very first question of the very first IMO. Does that make sense? So actually, it's maybe it wasn't a textbook question back then. I don't know, but like this is a textbook question. Okay, so if something divides, so basically the multiples of 7 thing, yeah, something divides two numbers, then it divides any sum or subtraction of those two numbers as well. You know, the multiples of 7 add and subtract to stay multiples of 7.